used to say men, I may not know, but shoes I know. So I do not know men, but corset tops I do know. So I got a bunch of it girl tops, and let me just show you guys. Okay, I love this top. I don't care what anyone says. This top is too, like, you know, Saturday night clubbing vibe. I don't know why I own so many Saturday night clubbing vibe tops, even though I literally never leave this room. You see how exposed my last top was, and you see how mindful this top is, and that's on being demure. This top 100% I'll be wearing to Starbucks. I saw Priyanka Chopra, I think, wear this pebble cutout thing. Okay, I don't know the designer. I love this top. I'm obsessed with it. I cannot wait to ruin it with makeup stains. I love the color pink, but half of my closet is either black or white. This top is actually very mindful, very demure, very cutesy. Okay, besties, this is the last top, and the reason why I love these tops is because I can pull a Jennifer Aniston from Friends in all of these tops. If you know, you know. Bye.